Is LinkedIn good for getting clients? That's a question that I get asked all the time. Let's just jump right into this. I think LinkedIn is a great platform for getting clients, whether you're B2C or B2B, whether you're selling products or services, if you're a consultant, if you're a coach, whatever you are, your clients are probably on LinkedIn. And one of the things that I like the most about LinkedIn from a perspective of getting clients is that people on LinkedIn are in a business kind of mood. And that's even more profound and more pronounced just here in the latter half of 2023. We are finding that people are even more in a business kind of mood on LinkedIn. So I would encourage you to really think about LinkedIn as part of your overall marketing strategy. Now, every social platform has potential for you to find clients on it. Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram, Lemonade, they're all out there and they all have the potential to bring clients to you. What I think is really important to understand is that you have a product or service, and the people who need your product or service are out there looking for it right now. If they're looking for it on LinkedIn, then LinkedIn is a great place to get clients. And when you have that mindset that you have something that can help people, and the people who need help are looking for you, everything changes. And you show up on the platform in a way that gets the people who are looking for what you have, the solution that you have. If you can get that solution in front of them in their time of need, you're going to be in really great shape. And you're going to be able to get a lot of clients from any platform, LinkedIn in particular. Now, one of the things to understand about LinkedIn is that we have to act a little bit differently on LinkedIn. It's not Facebook, it's not Instagram. And there are some people that are kind of holding on to the notion that it is another version of Facebook, but the people who actually are running LinkedIn, the executives that are causing the direction of that platform to go, are saying that they don't want it to be treated like Facebook. They want it to be treated as a place where you can share knowledge and you can help others get better at what they do. They've actually come out and said that. And if you go through the LinkedIn engineering blog, you can find references to that just about everywhere. So there are really three things that I would love for you to consider when you're thinking about marketing yourself on LinkedIn. The first is that it's a great place to make professional connections. And if I were to give you some advice on making those professional connections, I would say that you should always be connecting with people who are or are very much like your perfect prospects. That's going to help you out quite a bit. LinkedIn is also a great place to start sharing content, but not just any kind of content. You really want to look to share knowledge-based content. I'll talk more about that in a second when I give you a quick tip on what you can do right now. So stick around for that. And then the third thing that I really like about LinkedIn is the ability to do some direct outreach. You want to be careful though with the direct outreach, because if you reach out to people and you go for the sale right away in the first message to them, they're going to reject you. Nobody wants that. And we see that all the time on LinkedIn, where people just don't want to be hammered with a sales pitch. But it does allow you to have some really impactful direct outreach with your perfect prospects. And listen up for just a second. If you want to take a full class on how to start getting more clients from LinkedIn, I'm going to put a link right here on the screen for you to go to. It's going to be linkedin.proutyclass.com. Prouty's my last name. Class is what I'm giving you, and it's absolutely free. You can go to this class and you can learn a ton about marketing the new way on LinkedIn, because we all know LinkedIn has made a bunch of changes this year. So just go to linkedin.proutyclass.com. Just type that into a browser and you will be able to take that class absolutely free. Would love to see you in there. I think you'll have a really good time. So if I were to give you a tip on content creation on LinkedIn, it really is going to be to share knowledge-based content. The reason that we want to share knowledge-based content is it demonstrates to LinkedIn that we have a level of expertise, a level of education, that we have authority, and that we can be trusted, that we have the kind of content, the kind of knowledge that we want to share with people that's going to help them get better at what they do. So my tip for you, share knowledge on LinkedIn, always. Leading with knowledge is always a good thing to do anyway. And while everything that I just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing that you need right now, which is why I'm going to put a couple of links here for some other videos that will help you out right now. And if you would like to subscribe to my channel, you can just click on my face and you'll get alerted every time I create new content like this.